Hello, what have we here?
I'm the administrator of this facility. And who might you be? What have you done to my ship? You still hanging around with this loser? I'm sorry. That thing's operational.
Why, you slimy, double-crossing, no-good swindler.
No, not actually.
This deal is getting worse all the time.
All right, old buddy. Would you get going, you pirate? We've got to give him more time. We might just take a few of them with us. Come on, Han, old buddy. Don't let me down. You got a lot of guts coming here after what you pulled. How you doing, you old pirate? We'll last longer than we will against that Death Star.